Kusama is one such organization that offers different answers for its clients, bringing different blockchains on one brought-together organization. Transcending as a spearheading project executed on a shared organization, Kusama has gigantic advantages to offer viz. Shared security of transfer chains and parachains, including perfect administration. The upgraded foundation permits plentiful functionalities of marking and operability as approved by designers. Kusama's local token is Ksm, which expects three fundamental purposes: administration over the organization, marking, and holding, contrasted with different tokens. Before we start with fair Kusama cost forecast, really look at complete coin outline. Kusama, the constitution. The whole programming on the Kusama project is open source. Gaining by the in addition to points of Bitcoin and Ethereum, Kusama guarantees perfectly clear straightforwardness and complete exchange privacy, making it a versatile organization. Despite the fact that exchanges are kept in the general blockchain, neither the shipper nor the beneficiary and the sum moved are markers for different clients on the organization. Putting the power at last in the possession of clients, Kusama has standard overhaul plans, and that implies this convention by engineers like Gavin Wood is versatile to meet the different use instances of today and the unexpected use instances of tomorrow. Additionally, the corporate mission of Kusama isn't to lead exclusively on the development way. The corporate has arranged large for the future, leaving on different organizations and coordinated efforts, being recorded on prominent cryptographic money trades like Coinbase and Binance and their information. The KSM badge of Kusama offers a protected and trustworthy stage to its brokers for financial planning and furthermore empowering lesser charges and a plenty of computerized and manufactured resources for single out from. These updates and effective tie-ups have sped up the energy at the cost of Kusama coin, making the ecosphere of brilliant agreements all over. The update has raised the cost of the KSM token, the local badge of the Kusama organization, on trade considerably. Kusama Specialized Investigation. The effective ICO of Kusama drifted in 2019 October was met with thundering achievement, and it raised more than $140 million, selling north of 10 million KSM supply. While during the send-off, the cost of Kusama was exchanging around at $1.50. The merchant's buy pattern carried it to a degree of $62 toward the finish of 2020. To make the most dependable Kusama cost forecasts, one of the main advances is to examine KSM's previous exhibition. Not long after KSM showed up on the trade, its most memorable huge flood came. Around April and May, its cost rose from $2 to $7, a significant leap that mirrored a gigantic measure of early financial backers' revenue in the digital currency market examination. Among October and December 2020, its cost jumped up from $27 to $62. Shockingly, starting from the start of this current year, the cost of the Kusama coin has shown an extraordinary change, fluctuating between $70 to $623. Thus, the cost of Kusama acquired financial backer certainty, and the coin saw an extraordinary flood in force. Somewhat recently, Kusama enlisted its new all-time high of $623. In any case, in the wake of hitting an ATH, the KSM token confronted a huge value drop to $262. A great deal of exchanges happened, and cash changed hands. As per information, Kusama cost is right now moving around $130.02, and the coin has a market capitalization of $1,109,168,389.32 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $54,281,778.32. The flowing stock of 8,470,098 KSM. In light of our Kusama cost gauge, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost visualization for 2026 is $641.56. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 393.8%. The Kusama cost is anticipated to reach $107.53 by the start of December 2022. The normal greatest cost is $134.41. Lease cost $91.40. By January 2023 end, it ought to effectively swing around $120.82, making it a wise venture. The coin value appears to reach $257.78 constantly 2026. The cost of Kusama could fall dramatically in the forthcoming years. Kusama has been giving a positive indication. As indicated by our expectation benefits, the future cost of the KSM USD is determined at $847.49 following a year. A ton of Kusama projects are moving from the idea stage to the testing stage, and before the year's over, a lot of ventures would have been finished. Thus, an inside and out bullish estimate of $24,074,377.60, making it a productive speculation by 2022 end. Kusama value expectation 2022. keeping up couple with a similar bullish cost pattern. There are expectations that the KSM cost is ready for a rise even in the year next, 2022. Keeping in context the series of successive pinnacles and bucks, the Kusama cost just shows a positive pattern among the retreating pandemic situation, contacting the $184.21 mark. Kusama Value Forecast 2023. Going by concentrating on more limited and longer value patterns and gauge information. KSM cost has been diverging from its way regularly every 2 or 3 years. So going ahead, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be really ideal for KSM cost for heighten, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. There is an anticipated possibility of KSM cost causing a misfortune yet just pitiful, dropping to $214.04 once more. Nonetheless, this stays as a cynical situation, and a few specialists disagree with this disorder. Kusama Value Expectation 2024, yet again expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal in light of the conjecture that KSM cost will run the crypto realm with a presentation of greatest cost fixed at $243.90, which shows KSM cost can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in unfriendly circumstances, as conceded by the Organization of Virtual Entertainment Channels. Kusama Value Forecast 2025. This year could check as the benchmark year, as KSM cost is anticipated to outperform $281.89 definitely. This year, no vital elements like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the foundations of world economies, and it is normal that a large portion of the harm done would be making a course for fixed work in store for every world economy. KSM is assessed to stretch around $225 minus $285 by 2025, in light of our figures with mass reception. Kusama Value Expectation 2026. The crypto projections and expectations from that point forward have begun drifting towards hopefulness instead of negativity. The KSM cost expectation for this entire year remains very uplifting, expressing that KSM cost could exchange around the $257.78 mark. For what reason is the Kusama token cost rising? The credit for that goes to the confidence financial backers have rested in the resource, as it shows a long-haul procuring potential contrasted with different coins in view of blockchain like Bitcoin and so on. Simultaneously, it is an obvious explanation that Kusama is recorded on the trade, being a sign of an extraordinary exhibition regarding future gauges. No big surprise, the symbolic shows a steady all-time high situation subsequently for brokers to profit from this token. Where might I at any point purchase Kusama? As an innocent contestant, all regarded trades end up showing this KSM token on their item range. You additionally will more often than not benefit from exchange KSM straightforwardly for government-issued types of money like USD, EUR, GBP, and so on, or other digital currencies on many trades. Financial backers can likewise profit from the block rewards program on Kusama. How would I make my